Hello guys, welcome to SG Tech channel. Today, we are going to learn how to install Java on Windows operating system. First, you have to open Chrome browser and open google.com. Type Java download and click enter. Here, you can see Java versions for various OS. Today, we will see how to install Java on Windows OS. Click here to download Java. Once you click on download, it will start downloading Java. Once downloaded, you can click on Exafile to start installing. You just have to click on Next, start installing. You just have to click on Next throughout the installation, and your installation is done. One installation done, we have to set up Java home path on environment variables. Now we will see how to set Java home path. Click on Start and type environment variable. Click on Edit environment variable. In System Variables, search for Path and click on New. Once you click on New, you have Paste Java bin folder path and click on OK. Now, Java home path is set. Now we will see if Java is successfully installed. Go to Command Line and type Java version and click Enter. It's showing us installed version of Java. So Java is installed and ready for us.